gentlemen, this is Alex, the big boy, for SlashGear. This is the very first interview I have ever done via Google Glass. It's the future happening right here on SlashGear. So we're here at E3 and I'm showing off the brand new MOJO Android micro console from Catz. Look at this bad boy here. It's just like me. It's small and discreet. Look at it. It's a beautiful product. So Catz are launching our very own Android console this holiday season, and it's a bit different to all the other Android consoles out there today. Some of the other Android consoles, they make you purchase games from a walled garden, but the whole idea with the MOJO is that it's an open platform. So we don't make you buy games for us. It allows you to play the games and the applications that you may have already purchased via Google Play or via the Amazon store, and it's basically a supercharged mobile phone that you connect to your TV without the touch screen. So my colleague Nate here is controlling on the home screen here, and you can see, let's play Dead Trigger for us, Nate. So we've already downloaded Dead Trigger from Google Play. If you've already downloaded it on your tablet or your smart device, you just go onto Google Play with your MOJO, you download it again for free, and it just works. We're making a commitment to the gamer that when MOJO launches, it is going to be the most powerful Android micro console on the market, bar none. So it's really important to us that it's going to be souped up and juiced up. The version that we're using here today looks pretty good, but this is just a prototype. It is a work in progress. When MOJO launches later this year, it's going to look even better. So we've talked about the fact that it is an open platform. You don't need to buy games via Catz. You can use the games that you've already downloaded via Google Play. We talked about the fact that it's going to be incredibly powerful, but I also want to talk about the fact that the hardware that runs with it. So this is a cornerstone in our GameSmart initiative, and GameSmart is an initiative that aims to bring together the mobile standard. It's an industry standardization. The product I'm holding here ships with the MOJO. This is the Control R. It's a revolutionary GameSmart Bluetooth controller. It's a patent-pending design from Catz, and it has a couple of really unique features. For a start, it's the only controller out there to ship with Bluetooth Classic and Bluetooth 4.0. Traditionally, Bluetooth Classic controllers have a latency of about 100 milliseconds. Bluetooth Smart brings that latency down to about 6 or 7 milliseconds. It gives you an astonishing 40 hours of battery power via 2 standard AAA batteries that's used in the unit. It also comes complete with this little mobile clip as well, so you can attach your mobile phone device, your smart device, that's extendable as well. So you don't have to use the controller with your MOJO. You can use this to control pretty much any Bluetooth device, including your mobile or your smart device as well. But of course, it works perfectly with the MOJO, as my colleague here is using it without the mobile phone clip, and he's using it to control Dead Trigger today on the MOJO. We've also got mice plugged in. We've got keyboards plugged in. And let me tell you something else that's revolutionary about the controller here. We've got a little switch that gives us 3 different inputs. So you've got GameSmart mode, and in GameSmart mode, the controller thinks it's a standard Bluetooth controller compatible with hundreds of Android games. In PC mode, it thinks it's a PC controller, perfect for when you're using it on PC. But the real magic is mouse mode. Now in mouse mode, Nate, can we actually go into Angry Birds for me here? So look what my colleague's doing. He's actually got a mouse plugged in to the MOJO, and we're playing Angry Birds. Now you can actually use a physical mouse, or you can use the Control R in mouse mode, and it allows you to control hundreds of games that were designed for a touchscreen interface on your big screen TV. So games that were using a touchscreen interface, you can now play with the Control R that ships with the MOJO on your big screen TV. HDMI, 1080p, of course, perfect for your movies, for your music, for your streaming, Netflix, Hulu, you name it. Anything that's available on the Google Play Store, it will work. You know, we've even got a keyboard plugged in now, and let's go on to do some word processing application for me, Nate. Let me just show you this. I mean, primarily, of course, this is a video game console, and we're not pretending it's anything other, but you can use it for basic computing tasks. My colleague Nate is just opening up a new document here, and we can start going and typing away. Let's say hello to SlashGear. Look at that. MOJO uses a bare minimum of 16 gig onboard storage, and of course you've got an SD card up there as well, so pretty much unlimited storage via SD. You can use it for word processing, you can email yourself your documents, save it to SD, save it to a USB stick, you name it.
First and foremost, of course, it's a video game console. It's an Android micro console, and we think it's the most powerful and best and most versatile Android micro console on the market today. So the Control R ships with the Mojo console. It's going to be shipping later this holiday season, only from our